Hey, it's Rosbeth from Clevera. Today I'm going to talk about this new feature that we added to Clevera, and it is called video cover. So what is video cover? Video cover is the opening for your video. Up until now, when you create a video in Clevera, you instantly drop to this section. Screencasting starts immediately without any title or an opening or introduction, first section of the video. So instead of this, you could just create an opening for your video and introduce the video, give users or viewers some sort of information about what's going to happen in this video, what they are about to see. And then after this nice animation, you can viewers can continue watching the video. So let me just preview this one a little bit so you can get the idea. Wow. Okay.
In this guide,
This is video cover. Now let's build one from scratch. Let me just remove this one. The first thing you need to do, find the first section. In this case, it's called Introduction. Click on it and then click on this plus icon here and then choose video cover. Okay. Now, this is video cover editor. As you can see, there's this blank canvas here. Actually, it's not blank. It's blank because we were at the first frame. So it's always good to just keep your playhead somewhere in the middle. The first section that you can customize in video cover editor is background. As you can see, there are a couple of options here: color, gradient, image, light leaks, and you can play with them. Light leaks is something new that we just added. It's actually some sort of animation that you can add instead of just a static color like gradient or a solid color. You can make the background more animated. Let's just choose a color here, this one, and then play this. Okay, see that? Some sort of gradient layers, shapes morphing into each other and moving around the screen. You can change the shapes and the way it animates with this option here. It's called seed. For example, I bump it to 19. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty different. Now you also have this hue shift, and it is everything you need to define the coloring for this light leaks. So if you choose a different value, you would see a different coloring for your animation. So that's called light leaks. Let's just keep this. The next section is title. As you can see, this is the title here, and you have all these options to adjust the typography. You can also change the position of your title, whatever you want. Let's just keep it in the middle. And this is the width for your title. Just bump up the font size, and then here you can increase or decrease the width of this title. And then you have this description. So description is optional. You need to enable it. It's pretty small. Let's just enter 30 for font size and make it bold. There you go. You can also, just like the title, you can also change the position. And also the option to change the width of the description. Finally, you have logo. So that's basically an image that you can insert in your canvas in the video editor. You can resize it. You can change the border, corner radius, and you can also reposition this one just like the title and description. Let's just keep everything in the center. Now, these are your content. The next step is to adjust animations. So you have enter animation and you have exit animation. Obviously, enter animation comes at first. You can just change it to fade in. Check it out. Okay, as you could see, this just fades in into the screen. And you have this exit animation. That's basically the second animation. There are new options here, as you can see, Blare, for example. Okay. Next step is to add a music. Obviously, this is optional too. Let's just add one. You can play with the different musics here and choose one. Epic Movie Impact. All right, choose this one. And effect volume is fine, but let's just decrease it a little bit. Now, the last option here is duration. And this is basically the length of this video cover in the timeline. So right now it's 7 seconds. We can just decrease it to 4 seconds or something, because it's too long, I guess. Okay.
In this
turned out good. Now you need to save cover settings, and then you're back into your main timeline. So let's just play this once again.
In this guide, you will learn how.
Okay, so that's all there is to it. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.